David, this is for you. This is Ayden at 2.5 months. This is your monkey suit, okay? So as you can see, the jacket is about the size of his body. But that's fine, you can give it a try. So I'll lay this out over here. And we'll lay the pants out just so you can see how big they are. So next to Ayden, if his feet are stretched, his feet are about there. So you're looking at his pants being at his underarm. And he's 2 months, not 80 years old. So we're not going to try that just yet. But just so you can see him grow into it. There's his monkey head. Oh, there's his arms inside. He can't even reach out. We'll try to pull that in. This is really warm for him.
Maybe by the time he's 1. Then again, maybe not.
And there's Ayden in the monkey top. Hey, baby. Look at Daddy. Say hi, Uncle David. Hi, Uncle David. Hi, Aunt Erica. Look at me in the monkey suit.
I was trying to cover the light and I screwed up the video. That's okay.
Done?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.